press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is the most requested video from all of you guys. So this video is about essential brushes for face makeup. How are you? And a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get all notified whenever I upload a new video. So there are a lot of makeup brushes, a lot of makeup brushes in the market, and you girls get so confused. I would also get so confused in my beginning when I just move on for my makeup. So a lot of you requested me to share what kind of a makeup brush I use for my face makeup. So yes, here I am. Yes, I have a lot of makeup brushes, but I would include just the essential makeup brushes which would work great for my face makeup. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first brush you would need for your face makeup is to blend your base. So the first brush I'm having with me is this flat kabuki brush. This is a great brush because it just blends your base makeup and everything really nicely, and you can see it is a flat brush, so it would sit on your face really well and it would help in blending. You can go circular like this and it would help in blending your base makeup really well. So yes, this is the first one. And also I'm having one more option for your face makeup blending brush. So this is an oval brush. This is a really nice soft oval brush. So I also use this one for blending my base makeup. So it also blends really nicely. It goes really nicely under your eyes and all over your face. So it gives a really nice coverage. So yes, for blending your base makeup, this is the perfect one. I would link everything in the bottom bar so you can go and check it out. And now moving ahead with the blush. Yes, you need a good brush for your blush. Brush for your blush. Yes, you would need a really nice fluffy kind of a brush for your blush. So here I am having a brush, you can see. So it looks like this, and it is a really nice fluffy kind of a brush. So it gives you a really nice application. I have applied my blush with the same brush. So it gives a really nice application and gives a very blend kind of a look. And it would not give you the clown cheeks look. So yes, for your blush you need a fluffy brush like this. So yes, this was my blush brush. And now moving ahead for bronzing and everything, you need a brush like this. So it looks like this. It's not a very fluffy kind of a brush because you need a more precise application with this. So I had applied my bronzer with this. I've gone for a very nice and very light bronzing. So it is giving me a very nice no makeup look. I'm in love with no makeup look. So yes, you would need this kind of a brush for your bronzing. And now last but not the least, the most important thing nowadays I just love. So for your highlighter, yes, for your highlighter you would be needing a fat fluffy brush like this. Fat fluffy fan brush like this. It is a beautiful brush, you can see, and it gives you a really nice highlighted look. So yes, you can also go for a small fan brush, but believe me, this gives you a really nice professional highlight look. So yes, this is the fan brush, fluffy fan brush you would be needing. So these were some of my face makeup brushes which I love using for my face makeup. and these are the essential makeup brushes which I always use. So this was my video on essential face makeup brushes, and I hope you loved it. And if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get all notified whenever I upload a new video. So yes, this was all for this video. I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.